Looking for a reliable hybrid inverter? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best PowMr hybrid inverters based on performance, features, and value for money. Let's jump in. Item number 5. The PowMr POW HVM series hybrid inverter is designed for home use, delivering 1 to 1.5 kilowatt pure sine wave output. It supports 12-volt or 24-volt battery systems, including lithium and lead-acid types. With a built-in ADA and MPPT solar charge controller, it handles up to 150-volt PV input and smartly prioritizes solar power for loads. Features include dust protection, grid generator compatibility, and customizable settings, making it a reliable, efficient solution for off-grid or hybrid solar setups. Item number 4. The PowMr PS3K is a 2400-watt pure sine wave hybrid solar inverter with a built-in 50-amp PWM solar charge controller. Designed for 24-volt systems, it supports up to 1200-watt PV input and 80 volts open circuit voltage. Ideal for off-grid solar setups, it features smart LCD settings for AC solar priority, battery charging current, and input voltage. With protections against overload, short circuit, and temperature, plus cold start and auto restart functions, it ensures reliable, uninterrupted power for home use. Item number 3. The PowMr POHVM 422 or 6.2 mAh is a high-capacity hybrid solar inverter, offering 4224 volts or 6200 watts, 48 output with pure sine wave performance. It features a powerful 120-amp MPPT solar charger and supports up to 6500-watt PV input at 500 volts. Compatible with AGM, gel lead-acid, lithium-ion, and Life PO4 batteries, it includes lithium activation and full battery protection. With on-off grid functionality, ADA AC charging, and smart control, it's ideal for both home and professional solar setups. Item number 2. The PowMr SunSmart 10K is a powerful 10,000-watt off-grid hybrid inverter with dual MPPT and 99.9% efficiency. It supports 120 240-volt output, lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries, and features a 200-watt solar charging current. With wide PV input, 125 to 500-volt DC, fast 10 millisecond switching, and multiple communication ports, RS-485 CAN USB, it's ideal for both single and split-phase systems. Its energy-saving mode, durable design, and intelligent cooling ensure reliable, efficient performance for large-scale solar setups. Item number 1. The PowMr SunSmart SP5K is a 5,000-watt pure sine wave hybrid inverter supporting on-off-grid use. It features a 100-watt MPPT solar charger, 48-volt battery compatibility, lithium-ion lead-acid, and a fast 10 milliseconds transfer time. With 120, 218, 240-volt AC output and support for single, split, or three-phase systems, it's ideal for flexible setups. It allows up to 6 units in parallel, has wide PV input, 120, 500-volt DC, and offers smart energy-saving, multiple communication ports, and reliable forced-air cooling for stable, efficient performance. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.